Thumbs Up visited with Roger Bruzek of Monster Construction, also known as MCI Windows and Doors. We talked about the value Impact Windows and Doors provide for Florida homeowners. This sounds like a very complex project. How does Monster Construction help me through this?
Attention to detail is very, very important to me.
I would say in this line of work it would be very important.
Very important. You're going into somebody's home, ripping out their windows, you have to respect their property, cover up all their furniture, their paintings, their flooring. It's a very intrusive process, and you have to let the customers know that ahead of time so they're ready for it, because it is major construction, but you do have to respect the home and protect the home properly. The families feel protected. They don't have to put up shutters anymore. They can go away on vacations, not worry about burglaries. The energy savings they're getting from the low E glass is huge, huge savings for their air conditioning bill. And also noise reduction is very big with impact windows. You don't hear the traffic and noise, so that's big. We do commercial, residential, and high-rise. We just did a huge project in Hunter's Run. We did over 302 doors, and we got a letter of recommendation from the office manager. All went without a hitch. It was a really great project for us.
What's the best feeling you get after a job?
The best feeling is when the customer is happy and you can come out to the job site and they're really pleased to see you and they're like, wow, I'm really appreciate what you guys did for me. You protected my family, did a great job, you respected my home, and you make friends with your customers. That's what we try to do here at MCI.
What do you expect from your team of installers?
They have to be very clean, very neat. I am a detailed person. So when I go out on job sites, I make sure all the furniture is covered up, all the floors are protected. They do have to do a very, very clean work. Over the last 10 years, I have great guys that I've acquired, and they've been with me ever since. So that's very important, is cleanliness, good work, and quality.
What happens when a sales consultant visits my home?
The most important thing is, I believe, you have to qualify the customer for what they're looking for. Not everybody has the same budget or the same needs and wants. Some customers might be flipping a house, or they're looking for something lower end. Some customers might be staying in their homes for the duration of their life, and they want the quality products. They don't have to buy anything ever again. So qualifying them, letting them know about the energy codes and what's required here in Florida is a big step for us. Typically, once they get the call here at the office, they make contact with the customer. They go out to their homes and they do a small presentation. We don't push ourselves on anybody. We do an estimate, we give you some product knowledge, qualify you on what type of windows you should get for your home, and then we give you an estimate. And there's no pressure from here at all. We basically, you lead us and we're here to help you. Once the contract has been signed and they decide to use our company, myself or my general manager, Bob Ross, we go out to your home and we do final detail measurements. And we go over the scope of work with you, what to expect, what not to expect. And we also go over the contract again to make sure all the windows are the correct way. You want them to open and close, the doors are swinging the right ways, the glass is the right color, the frames are the right color. So that way there's no mistakes when the product shows up to your home. The permits process usually takes about 4 weeks. We do a general plot plan of all the window locations. Everything is done in-house. We do all the energy calcs for your glass, the wind load pressures, and then the permitting department takes it to the building department. Once the permit's received, you get notified your windows will be in this date, the permit's here, and we schedule the install. The guys we have are very, very detail-oriented craftsmen, and I've acquired them over the last 8 to 10 years. Another thing is, we are not also a window company, we're a general contractor as well. So if you have needs, you want to cut a hole in the side of the wall, we can do that, put structural headers across there. We can do other things that other window companies can't offer you because we are a licensed GC.
How do we reach you?
The best way is to call us here locally. We're Boynton Beach, 561-243-7970. Or you can go to our website, which is monsterfl, like Florida.com. Or you can email us at monster.0007@hotmail.com. It is very important to get your windows as soon as possible, because once you get into hurricane season, the lead times go from 5 weeks, which they are now, to 14 weeks. Everybody always waits till the last minute to do it, and then you see people at Home Depot struggling to get plywood to put on their homes. I strongly recommend doing your homework, getting MCI to do your windows, do them in a timely manner, and you can protect your family the right way.